Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show you how I made this beautiful microloc wig and how you too can make this from the comfort of your home and turn this into a profitable business.
So I started out with an Afro kinky full lace unit. This is human hair, 4C textured, created sections, and then started interlocking the sections. I interlocked in 4 different directions, and by the time I'm done, see what I have here. Now it's time to attach my microloc extensions. I use my crochet needle to attach them. You can also use the dreadlock machine to make it at least 10 times faster. So this is the dreadlock machine, and this is the final look. I made this unit in 3 days. That is minus the dreadlock extensions, of course. And with the aid of the dreadlock machine. Without the machine, I know it would have taken much longer.
So if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section and I'll get right on them. Thank you.